does that go to? There's no barbed wire. Are those trailers or something? There's some barbed wire right there. Yeah, so we don't want to go through there. Yep. Like I might got my emergency brake on here. Oh, see if I can get that out of there. Okay, that's clear. Looking for barbed wire. Well, it was almost interesting. That's definitely private property. There's a big field on the other side of that bridge. I think I'll come out there here tomorrow, check it out. That place is big, and on the aerial view it looked like a maze. That really caught my attention. There's a way to get in the back of that field back there, and I think I passed it. Well, I'm sure I passed it. Some nice woodsy area out there. I believe it's that first left up here, the first or the second left. You gotta go at the end of that subdivision and it runs into a trail back in there. And it goes through all that brush and trees and swampy stuff. And it comes out right behind that Amazon building, the warehouse. And it looked like might be an interesting ride. I'll have to look again. So if you live in suburbia, far away from anything interesting, like the mountains and the woods, like me, and you don't want to have to haul your bike to a place where you can ride it, look for Google Maps or Yahoo driving directions, and just put any address in there in the area that you know of, or name of a store, a major store that usually come out, and then check out the satellite view and look at those areas, and I'm sure you'll probably find areas you can ride. That's what I do anyway. There's a real nice area about 30 minutes from here, and I actually found some YouTube footage. There's a lot of guys that go down there, and it looks like it's a fun place. Very sandy. I don't know if I'll check it out tomorrow, but I will definitely be checking that place out. That's going to take me about 40 minutes from here to get down.